Presentation is for Computer Science 2, COP 3503. It will talk about installing Eclipse and Visual Studio Express. To get started, go to this URL shown here that will allow you to download Eclipse. Here is the Eclipse download page, and I'm going to go to Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and for my PC I'm going to download the Windows 64-bit. And this may take several minutes to download, so I'm going to snip part of this section out so you don't have to watch the entire download process. Once Eclipse downloads, go ahead and open it up, and it comes in as a zip file. So I'm going to create a folder to put this into called UCF. And here again, this takes a couple of minutes to extract. So I'm going to snip part of this out so you don't have to watch this whole thing extract. Now, once Eclipse has been extracted, you can open the folder and run eclipse.exe. And the IDE will run. Now, the first time that you run Eclipse, you may get some sort of a screen with offerings of tutorials and so forth, and you can just X out of that. And once you X out of that, you'll get the IDE. Okay, so that covers installing Excel. There is a possibility that you will have to install the JDK, and if you do, go to this web page, or just search for Java JDK and find the correct version and download it and install it. We have to talk about downloading and installing Visual Studio Express. As you can see, there is a URL that you can go to directly download Visual Studio Express. It's a fairly long URL. You'll get the same thing if you go to Google and search for Download Visual Studio Express. Okay, here you can see the Visual Studio Express download page, and we're going to scroll down to the one we want. And what we're looking for is Express 2013 for Windows Desktop. And we'll click on the download link. And you can actually download the ISO if you'd like to, but I usually do the web install and click here. And this will actually take a while. Oh, I guess I have to log in, and you can very easily create an account. Okay, so this is the web install, and I'm going to run this. And this install actually takes quite a while, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm going to snip the next section in this video so you don't have to watch this entire thing happen, because it's pretty boring. I guess first I got to agree and then hit install. So from this point on, I'm going to snip the video so you don't have to look at this. So when you first run Visual Studio, it will spend some time setting up and preparing itself for use.
And all that excitement?
Yeah.
Or are you someone? Are you? How much of that is fear? Percentage.
0 is fear. It all has to do with the fact that I don't think I'm running out of time. I mean, serious. That's